we are home. So, I'm just getting back from the in-laws' house. I'm getting ready to set up the kiddies. I'm getting ready to put their stuff out, get their stockings going, get dinner going, and what else? Oh, pull the footage from Grandma's Christmas, my husband's family Christmas. I'm about to pull the footage off of the memory card basically and start editing videos. So that's what I'm gonna get ready to do, and then after that I'm gonna record the kids. It's a lot to be done, okay? I'm gonna record the children opening presents from us and then put that up as well, okay? So you get 2 vlogs. No, you get 2 videos. Not vlogs, 2 videos.
You heard what?
I heard that.
I really like my hat.
Isn't he handsome? Now you really do look like a Pillsbury dude.
I have little ears.
Oh, that is so cute. Do it again. Do it again. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Do it again. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Do it again. Anyway, I'm gonna go because these kids are getting impatient because it's now it's a little after 2 o'clock. It's a little after 2. Kind of late to be opening presents on Christmas, right? But who cares? This is just how we do it, you know? So I'm gonna do that and then I'll get back to you guys.
I'm gonna vlog.
Okay, sit, Jack. So we're gonna do stockings first. So Destiny, get up and grab Daddy's stocking over there and bring it to him.
I'm not gonna eat my candy.
Jason, get your stocking.
Can I get mine? Thank you.
Jordan, get your stocking. Destiny, get your stocking and Jackson's stocking as well. Wait, sit down, Jack. No, actually get yours and Maddie. Maddie got a stocking. Yeah, baby. Your stocking is almost as big as you. Oh my word. Yeah, what's in it?
But if you just move it up here.
What's in it, Mama?
I'll help her.
What's in it, baby? You want to help her? Okay, go ahead. You may go and find out what's in your stocking now. Ooh, you got a spoon, Maddie.
I got candy cane. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got some more candy cane. 8, 9, 10. See, I got a 12 spoon. I got more candy cane. She has
a rattle.
We got a new toothbrush for her. And then I got this dude. Look, she has
it's a teething ring.
a
teething ring for when she starts teething.
That's it.
That's it? Yep.
I got a pumpkin one. That's it.
Alright, you may enjoy. I'm gonna go over there and sip my what's in my cup. Actually, I should go figure out. I have a stocking, you know, but I stuffed my own stocking, so it can wait for later because I know what's in there. Daddy, what's in your stocking?
Mommy!
I haven't drank yet. Chocolates.
That is so nice. You get a new one. Yep, I knew you needed a new lollipop. Look at the cat coming out of hiding. She's like, y'all ain't give me nothing. Maddie, Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. My first Christmas with this crazy family. My first Christmas with crazy family, yeah.
What?
Yeah. You crazy family. Tell them my crazy family, yeah. Yeah. Next year you're gonna be so big. Eliana, next box behind you. Hey, someone bring that one over there for Daddy. One of you boys that don't have presents. Yeah. Run that to Daddy, please.
Looks like super nice chest. And this time, this time there's a leg of an elephant, a lucky cat, a band, some hands, a lucky star, and a bloody. How was that?
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Huh? No, I think one of the boys needs to open. Jason, there's a gift right behind Jackson. Could you get that?
That one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Let me just rest these and then I'll just put this. Rest these.
Yeah.
Characters.
Oh, and that Raven and that girl. No.
Put the trash away. No, we're still waiting on your other brother.
Now I have a new mission to go to.
Where?
Now I have a new mission.
Well, we're gonna skip Jordan and go back to Destiny.
Huh? It's another one! What, new chocolates? No, it's another shirt. Now I got an A shirt, a boat, and a goat.
Is it your turn? Yes.
Ready for these
Wait.
berries?
Can you, excuse me? Excuse me?
Look what I got, Joey. Oh, cool.
Excuse me, boys. Jackson, we're gonna skip you for a bit. Jordan, yours is the blue behind your brother. Yeah, just pick one, the smallest one.
Want one, Mommy? Mommy, want one?
Sure. That's your first present, Jordan?
Is it open?
Mm-hmm. Is it your first present?
Second.
Uh-huh.
Oh, done. What is it? Oh,
Lego, no. It's just a Lego. They were on sale. Lego Dimension, what? It's just a it's just a figure. It was on sale. It was on clearance. You might want to sit down and build it because I don't know what's in it. JJ, there's a red box under the tree, a small little red box.
What?
Mm-hmm. Jackson, the next present in front of that is yours.
I got this one for right there.
No.
That's mine.
Yeah.
Why do white people respond this way?
This one? Mine. put this in my
So, happy holidays.
Next, Destiny.
Look at Chewbacca. I love Chewbacca. Yeah, Chewbacca.
Back to Baka.
Did you get Marcelo? Please don't open it, people. Yes. No. If you open it, you're putting away your own trash. You do.
You know why that I got you that? Because I want you to make breakfast in the morning and stop asking me to make breakfast, okay? And I made it so it's extra large so it won't take you that long and you're feeding half of us. That way you can make a big batch of pancakes and scrambled eggs and everything.
Oh, so you bought it for yourself, but you won't be using it too?
No, I'm not using that. Do I ever cook your food? Do I ever cook your food?
No.
Exactly, you'll be using that. Okay, everybody, Destiny, get that bread package. We're down to the last gift. And I think we have everybody's big Orbeez! We're down to everybody's last gift.
Orbeez, crush and draw. You could crush the Orbeez and you could draw.
Alright, now everybody get their main gift. Jason, yours is on top of Daddy.
The Orbeez? The Orbeez
Yeah.
I wanted were the Orbeez.
Jordan, yours is on the tree.
Mommy, there's an Orbeez hair and Orbeez.
Yeah. Jackson, that's behind you.
I got it! What?
I got it!
Finally! He got to do like a marble. This one too?
No, that's Maddie.
That's in mine.
Jackson, yours is behind you.
This? Right?
Destiny,
This one?
that is yours behind you, beside you.
Cool! Lego dimension! Then you go to that world, that world, that world, and then you go to portal. It's all here. Alright, that's good. So I can sit on the couch and no.
No, you gotta clean up your mess first, Jordan.
Awesome.
Awesome.
And that one, that I don't think.
What did you get, Jackson? Let him figure it. No, let him figure it out. What did you get, Bonnie? What did you get?
When me and Jackson have the
Everybody forgot about Daddy's gift.
we can do something.
I'm like watching
Yay! Hey, she got Lego Dimensions. I gotta open that whole thing. Oh, whose last gift is right there?
Okay.
This one?
Now, what do you guys say to Daddy? Because this is money. It's Daddy's money. I just buy the crap. Huh, Daddy? Didn't I tell her? And the last one is Maddie's. Dustin, you can't open Maddie's. You want him to open yours? You may open it, buddy, because he's a that's Daddy's gift.
Look at Maddie, look at Maddie.
No, bring it to Daddy, Jack. Bring it to Daddy. Yeah, bring it to Daddy.
Look what Maddie got. Look what Maddie got. That's how many people there are.
Watch my cup. Watch my cup.
Oh my gosh.
Be aware of where you are. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
I know what it is.
My battery's dying. That way in the morning you can put your hot pockets and stuff in the toaster. That way it's not being put in the microwave.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Because Abby would have the bag.
See, I don't get up to make your breakfast, but I think of what will help you make it easy. It's about what will help you to make it easier. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that everyone has an amazing Christmas and got everything that they want in their little heart desire. With that said, I am about to go. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We'll be happy to have you guys. So, bye!